Hello everyone, welcome to another episode with Jay's Tutorials. So we are going to install our Python 3.7.4. So first off, you got to get to the website. Just type in Python, it's usually the first result. Welcome to python.org. So this is the, we are doing the install for Windows 10. So I'm going to go straight to downloads. Here are the release notes. Of course, I'm going to go for the Windows since we are doing a Windows 10 install. Now I'm going to install since I'm using a 64-bit computer, I'm going to go for the 64 executable installer. Alright, now let me check out my downloads folder. Alright, there we go. Let me give it a little refresh real quick. There we go. You definitely want to add Python to the path. Going for the install now. I am excited. Reason why is I want to just try out a few Python beginner lessons, so it should be pretty cool. Setup is successful. We are good to go. I'm gonna give it a little test. So let me create a couple of shortcuts here. Alright, desktop for easy access. Drag these here. Let's open them up. Let's give it a little test here. Just to be clear, I am not a coder. So I'm just going to try out a few Python exercises for fun in the future. For now, we are just doing some testing on the install. So print, thank you for watching. Let's see if it works. And then we'll try the idle as well. Nice. Let me try the shell here. Print. Awesome. That's pretty much it. That's all I got. Thank you all for watching. Take it easy.